Hello friends, welcome again. This is SK Advisory Private Limited. This is the continuation of the previous video, Basic Knowledge on Chart Patterns. In this session, we will be studying a bullish symmetrical triangle. This pattern can be divided into symmetrical, ascending and descending. Some of them have a bullish or only bearish variant. Let's begin with the symmetrical triangle. The symmetrical triangle is actually very similar to a pennant. In the real significant difference, triangles tend to be large and pennants tend to be small. They are indeed similar. Symmetrical triangle have two lines converting to each other symmetrically. So the upper line is downsloping and the lower line is upsloping. They have many angles. This pattern has a bullish variant where price will be going up and then a symmetrical triangle appears to signal continuation to the upside. The buy signals happens when price breaks out of the triangle to the upside and retraces back to the upper line tested as support. Logical stop is below the lowest low in the triangle. The lower confirms the demand zone and the tip profit is at least 3 times as big as the stop. And a bearish variant. Price will be going down and a symmetrical triangle appears to signal continuation to the downside. Sell signal happens when price breaks out of the triangle to the downside and retraces back to the lower line tested as resistance. The logical stop loss is above the highest high in the triangle, where above the confirmed supply zone, and the tip profit is at least 3 times as large as the stop. The next pattern is the ascending triangle, which only has a bullish variant. The difference between symmetrical triangle and the ascending triangle is in the ladder, the highs from the horizontal line, the lows from the upsloping line. It is significance the bullish market by the creation of higher lows. The buy signal happens when price breaks the upper line to the upside and retraces to the test it as support. The stop can be below the lowest low, the triangle, a standard low where demand confirm zone, and the tip profit target at least 3 times as big as the stop. In this session, we have completed 3 charts patterns that are bullish symmetrical triangle, bearish symmetrical triangle, and a bullish ascending triangle. Rest all charts we will discuss in our upcoming sessions. If this information is helping you, then do like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to be notified on every update from SK Advisories. Thank you.